Hello everybody, welcome to the video. Today we're currently at Alton Towers, where I'm going to be doing a Lightopia update. So I will walk through the gardens. I'll show you what we can see from the construction of Lightopia. So a Christmas update. We have some props here for Lightopia, some flowers. We are going to head up the other way now to have a look. But yes, all these props are sitting here. Going this way to see the rest. Some more stuff here, but we have a cauldron and a massive wizard hat. Whoa, I'll say that could be a witch hat because of cauldron. But that's sick. Does this one have a label on it or not? No. Whoa.
What's a witch's hat?
We got more stuff over here. A lot of bits coming through here about all for Lightopia, which is going to be happening.
I don't get why
yeah.
Throwing it down.
This one's a dragon too. Dragon too. We have some big scrolls. It says on them what they are. Some more stuff down here. Other news, we have more props. Flowers and lights lining up here. Some animals. They're reindeer. I'm going to go ahead and head down there now to show you some of that. Scarecrowy guy with a pumpkin and whatever this thing is. There's so much stuff everywhere, honestly. So there's some viney parts, you have tags on them. Oh, I like the look of that there. Let's have a look at these though. Whoa, buildings, massive. A ghost house, this is like the Halloween section, I'm gonna guess. And the Christmas section up top. Yeah, more pumpkins and everything, but yeah, we've got some buildings here. Skeleton by a house. This is
look, you can see its eyes in there.
a massive structure. Is this gonna be moving? Oh yeah. Skeleton's face. Whoa. That is sick. Skeleton by a house, and I'm guessing that's the house up there. See what else there is. In Haunted Hollow here we have a bunch more bits. No names, but just a bunch. It's now raining as well. We have some foxes here. More stuff down there and some stuff coming up here. Here we have some more bits. Of a person. Ah, there's his hat. We have another person here. It says mirror on him, but yeah. Yeah, we have another person here. See, it's going to be more wide around the park than it was last year. Well, what was said last year was. More bits like flowers. That's like a cobweb LEDs. Some pumpkin thing. Some plant.